Hey folks, and welcome back to the channel. So today is the day we check in to our premium cottage here in Margaritaville Resort. It is a very warm day today here in Orlando, hence a few beads of sweat you might see, which is all very well and good. But I thought I'd take you in to check out our premium cottage. Did have a little faff at the desk checking in. We booked through Virgin Holidays and the cottage that we booked wasn't available. So they upgraded us to this premium 3-bed cottage. We originally booked a 2-bed cottage. So hats off to Margaritaville team for upgrading us. But we have got a very nice premium cottage. So let's go in and check it out. And this is it. The address is 8001 Flip Flop Way for anyone that wants to know. And it is a 3-bedroom premium cottage with 2 lovely balconies there. And also another balcony at the front or the back. So when you check into Margaritaville, they do give you your room key as a wristband, which is very convenient. So all you need to do is just tap it on the RFID reader, and in we go. We have just arrived, so apologies for the cases everywhere. But this is what you're greeted with. You've got this massive open plan section, living room space section, and then to the right, you've got a fully equipped kitchen. I mean, it is far more than what we expected. You got a full-size American style fridge, being in America obviously, which we've put essentials in already, water and alcohol. Big oven, microwave oven. They give you a coffee machine as well, with also Wolfgang Putt coffee, which is nice. You got a toaster as well. And you also get your glasses and utensils. You got some plastic plates and plastic cups in case you want to go outside. You got margarita glasses up there. And one thing which is pretty cool is they don't give you all this candy and snacks, no. They give you a margarita machine, a margarita cocktail machine. I'm not sure where you're going to use that, but it's there if you want it. We've also got a massive dishwasher. You know what a dishwasher looks like. Double sink. And they also give you stuff like a little bottle of washing up liquid. There's your kind of utensils for cooking. Not that we'll be doing much of that. And there's your other knives and forks and stuff. You got a load of knives if you want to do some cooking. Then we go into the living space area, and this is pretty impressive. I mean, you got a nice chair there. You got a breakfast bar if you want to sit there. A massive sofa. It doesn't look that big on the screen, but it's easily seat 4. 4 people around the dining room table. Nice area with a massive TV. That's probably, I want to say 55 to 60 inch. You've also got a downstairs toilet. You all know what a toilet looks like. This is just basic toilet. We've already used the basin, so it doesn't look as pristine. So that's your first toilet there. You got an outdoors section to a patio. We are on a corner plot, so we have got the car park over there, which isn't too bad. But then we've also got this little section here. So we've got a table and chairs, a couple of sun loungers, and then you've got the other cottages over there with a small play park in the middle. Yeah, it's a nice vibe. It feels really nice. And there's a shot of the back of it, so you can see what it looks like. And then up to the top is where you can see the balcony and the master bedrooms up there. All right, let's head back in. I'll show you the rest of it. One thing they also have is free Wi-Fi, and I've just connected, and it's pretty decent, pretty fast. It's around 80 meg download, so not too bad if you want to do some streaming and watch movies, and that is all free. All right, so as you come back towards the front door, you've got a step up to the first flight and the first floor. Got some nice decor on the walls. So when you get to the top of the first floor, you have got a washer dryer, which is handy, and they've also left us some detergent as well, which we will need to use because we stayed in French Quarter last week and we need to do some washing. And as we come round and do a left, we've got the first bedroom, which I'd say is, what was that, a double or a queen sized bed?
That's a queen, definitely a queen.
Queen sized bed. 2 nightstands either side with 2 huge lamps, some nice artwork, more of the kind of Margaritaville logos and parrots and stuff. Another massive smart TV on the wall. And then just to the right off of the bedroom, you've got bedroom 1's ensuite, which is a walk-in shower. Looks pretty good. Nice decor, I like the tiles. built-in shower head. Controller over there. You all know what a toilet looks like. Again, a little vanity sink and a couple of towels and a little cupboard underneath. So yeah, that's ideal for someone sleeping in this room. And as we come out of bedroom 1, we go towards the back of the house. In there is going to be like the aircon system and all that. And you've got aircon units on every floor, which is quite good. This is bedroom 2, which Erin has commandeered. I mean, that mattress is ridiculous. Go and lay on that, Erin. It is huge. Changes in latitude. So she again has got 2 nice bed stands there with 2 drawers either side. She's also got a little kind of, I don't know what this is. It's, well, more storage really, but it's not very big, but it's enough to put in a few bits and bobs. She's also got a storage unit where she's got some drawers, the safe, and another bit of storage up there. Another massive, huge smart TV. Again, that is easily 60-inch. Massive. Off to the right, she's got her own bathroom suite, which is, again, another walk-in shower, same setup, toilet, vanity sink, and you also get the soaps there. So, fully equipped with towels. I mean, look at that headboard. That is just ridiculous. That is so big. But one thing she has also got is she's got a nice little balcony, so she can come and sit out of here and just look at the lovely car park. But it's nice to come and chill out, you know, just if you want a little 5-minute sit down or something. A couple of bongo seats there. And as we come out of Erin's bedroom, so that's bedroom 2, we've got another door there, which is probably going to be for the cleaning cupboard, utility people that come in and do all the maintenance. We've got the 3rd floor flight of stairs. And as we come up to the top floor, we have got the master bedroom. And just look at this. This is gorgeous. Again, that massive headboard. Surfboard at the top there with some shark bites in it. Loads of pillows. Loads of dressing space area. Again, another massive smart TV. Somewhere to sit down if you want to sit down and chill out. We've got a nice bed stand either side of the bed with 3 drawers, 2 massive lamps, some more artwork there. We've got a slight walk-in kind of closet area. Not a massive amount of space to hang things. We've only got a few hangers there. And again, more storage drawers. And then we've got the ensuite, which is pretty impressive. We've got me in the mirror there, 2 vanity sinks, loads of storage there, a walk-in shower, which is pretty much similar to the other one there, toilet at the end, but then we've also got a bathtub as well. A nice big tub, which is pretty awesome, some nice artwork there. But I think the pièce de résistance is as we come out of the main bedroom, the master bedroom, we have got this balcony, which is awesome. We have got a little mini bar there, or like a bar area where you can sit, look out onto the view, which isn't too bad to be fair. I think that's not a bad view. And I think, because we're facing near the front of Margaritaville Resort Hotel, we're probably going to see, or at least hear, Magic Kingdom fireworks or Epcot fireworks. And then as we spin you around, we've got a couple of seats there and a cooler. I mean, that is just awesome. So you can come out here of a night, chill out. We've got a front of a car grill there with a license plate, and just sit and watch the world go by. I mean, that's awesome. Love it. Absolutely love it. So that's going to do it for our 3-bedroom premium cottage tour here at Margaritaville. But first impressions are, yeah, we love it. Absolutely love it. Thanks again for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think. Hope it's of help to you. We'll see you in the next one. See ya.